Hey everybody, in this video we are going to learn how to deactivate your Instagram account temporarily and reactivate it again whenever you want. So let's just get started. For that you can go ahead and open up Instagram. So go over to Instagram to deactivate your account. Once you go over to your login with your account that you want to deactivate, and you can go to their profile by tapping on the bottom right one and access your profile here. From here, you can look out for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner and tap on it. Once you tap on it, the settings and activity opens up on your screen. You can head over to Account Center and tap on it. And once you go ahead and tap on it, you may just scroll down and find the option for personal details. So find personal details and tap on it. And then once you tap on it, here you will be finding your informations. You can look out for the option called Account Ownership and Control and tap on it. Once you go ahead and tap on it once again, here you will be finding two options given. You need to select the option for deactivation or deletion and tap on it. And once you confirm it up, you can just go over and select your Instagram account. And once you do so, you can start up the process for deactivating account. So you can select the first option called deactivate account and tap on it and continue. And once you continue the process here, you will be finding something like if you deactivate your account, you will also be losing access to the following information. So you can just go ahead and read it out and tap on continue. Once you tap on continue, at last you just need to enter your password here in this box and confirm it up and select a reason for deactivation and tap on continue to confirm. Once you do so, your account should be deactivated. Now, in order to deactivate your account, what you need to do is head over and open up Instagram once again, or you can even go to the Instagram website. After that, you will be given with the login page. So you just need to go over and log in with the same username and password that you used before the deactivation. So in this field right here, you can enter the username, email address, or the mobile number associated with the deactivated account. And right below it, you just need to enter your following password. Once you enter it up, you just need to tap on login and your account will be deactivated automatically with all of your posts and your contents restored. Like this right here. So that is it. If you also want to deactivate an Instagram account, you may follow up this method. So do not forget to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.